Today's drones are extremely capable and brilliant at the basics, which makes this an excellent time to consider one. Whether you're a seasoned flyer or are just getting to grips with snapping photos and videos from lofty heights, there are tons of excellent options to choose from, and that's where our guide to the 5 best budget drones you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Potensic Elfin. For those unfamiliar with flying drones, the Potensic Elfin is a small, fast, responsive, easy-to-use flyer that's comfortable and sturdy. It's fun to fly, but we don't want to take it out on a windy day because it's lightweight. It also has some very useful beginner features, such as automatic landing if it strays beyond its 50 meters Wi-Fi range, and a headless mode in which it'll automatically align itself to your position and respond to control inputs accordingly. The Potensic Elfin comes with an awesome 2K HD camera. Connect via Wi-Fi to the Potensic Toy Phone app to see what's in the shot, as well as record and store stills and video on your mobile device. This very affordable drone comes with 2 battery that aims to extend your exciting moment to 20 minutes in total. Besides, it is easy to replace the battery and safe to charge the battery. Number 4. DJI Mini SE. Mini SE is a low-priced drone. If you disagree, remember that DJI also offers high-end broadcast equipment. The Mini SE is orders of magnitude cheaper, but the features available aren't that different. A 3-axis stabilized gimbal that produces smooth, rich cinematic 2.7K video and an ergonomic radio remote controller which links to your phone via cable for very low latency. The drone is equipped with automatic hovering, GPS for returning home, a social-friendly quick shot where the drone and camera automatically function, and a landing sensor, so you can land gently. Also, for those who dislike paperwork, it is slightly less than the weight of registration. DJI always thinks like a photographer and loves to add features such as RAW and brackets and use a variety of panoramic aerial photographs. Number 3. UDI U818A FPV drone. The Force1 UDI U818A is one of the largest and cheapest drones, but most of its size comes from the built-in rotor blade guard. Perfect for beginners, the circular blade protector saves the blade from damage such as sticks and fingers. The lightweight plastic housing is thin and feels easy to break in a medium-speed collision. The camera hangs beneath the center of the drone and can be manually angled so that it points straight down about 30 degrees from the front. The camera can record 720p resolution video stored on a micro SD card that fits on the back of the camera body. The related app can control the drone and display a video preview in 480p resolution. This can be switched to 720p, but it gets a little annoying if the drone is more than 20 to 25 feet away. Number 2. Ryze Tello. Despite looking back on 2018, Tello seemed happy to take this place on the budget drone list, and competitors couldn't beat it. The combination of DJI technology and Intel processors brings a lot of power to the system, making video digital stabilization suitable for 720p. The drone features a removable propeller guard for safe play and a vision-based downward sensor for perfect hovering and landing. No remote control is required. The Easy Shots Controls app provides live view and on-screen controls, but you can always add a generic Bluetooth game controller. However, outstanding features need to be compatible with the educational programming language Scratch, which is the best way to teach programming. Number 1. Holystone HS110D. The Holystone HS110D is one of the few drones in this price range with a 1080p camera, making it one of the cheapest drones on the list. It's not at the same level as DJI drones, but it offers better video quality than the other drones on this list, making it an excellent entry point for newborn videographers. With 1080p FOV 120 degrees HD FPV camera, you can capture memorable moments distortion-free and view images on your phone from the wide-angle lens. The app enables you to expand your creativity further and share it on social media with ease. Like many other cheap drones on this list, the flight time is about 10 minutes, which is reasonable for a drone in this price range. Also, since the company includes 2 batteries, the downtime will not be too long. And this drone is also very easy to fly. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you on the next video.